We all right?
Just slid off the trail.
Ooh. All right, now we're going back up the North Salt Lake side. I didn't film what's going down. You guys have seen it, but honestly, a fun group of guys here, having a good time. Now we're kind of doing some night riding, so thought I'd film that because some night action on this trail is probably pretty epic. We got a bunch more, sorry. Oh, you're good, you're good. That's some scary shit. Like the guys coming down on the bikes. There you go. You last?
Yep, one more.
One more, okay. How you doing? Well, even dirt bikers are out here enjoying this, so that's really cool. It's the first time I've seen dirt bikes on the Mueller side in many, many years. But it is a dirt trail, it's rated a dirt bike trail. Hikers and bikers can get mad, but that's what it is. Holy. Let me know what you guys think of this night dusk trail riding. It's pretty awesome. I bet the GoPro probably doesn't show the darkness, but that's alright. GoPro never shows shit anyway. But anyway, if you guys like this content, be sure to hit that like button. If you like it a lot, hit the subscribe because I'm always doing more trails. Potentially more group rides with the Talaria Boys. They're not even filming today, so if you're a Talaria Boys subscriber, maybe leave a comment down below and let me know. Let the boys know you watched this video. But yeah, I appreciate you guys all tuning in, taking these rides with me and my son. Pushing these bikes to their limits on these rocks. And me every second wishing I had my gear. Oh well. Oh, we're not going too crazy yet. I'm pretty sure I just got cut on my elbow because I'm not wearing gear. Roast me in the comments about the gear because I probably should hear it. Let me know what your favorite kind of gear is. I like Alpine Stars, but I really love this Demon helmet I've got. It's a mountain MTB downhill helmet. So like super light, comfortable, full face. And that's fun. All right, Now we're going down the Mueller Park side. Uh-oh. We all right?
You just slid off the trail.
Oh.
I slid off the trail like twice myself too, so I'm not surprised.
Yeah, it's tough at night, especially with the dust.
Yeah, you can see anything.
Like, yeah, you get off of that little ridge and it's over.
Yeah, you gotta wait like way behind the person, and then you're also scared about like missing a corner and yeah.
Everybody okay though? No, they carried it up.
That's good.
It's good stuff. Oh, this dark trail is crazy. Man, I definitely don't think the GoPro is going to do this justice. I can only see like 10 feet in front of me. We've already had one guy go off the trail. I don't want to be the second guy. I think next season I might have to get a new fork. This thing might be clapped. It's definitely not feeling like it normally does. I could get it rebuilt, I guess, or something. Look at getting a fast ace. Something cheaper. I don't know why everybody complains about the brakes. Like, honestly, my brakes do really good. Holy shit, I almost went over. You good? All right, I heard the trees. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Fast ace. Spring for the EXT. Get a rebuild, just rebuild my shock maybe or something. Maybe I could get some stiffer springs in my shock and get it rebuilt. I live like 2 miles from Charge Cycle Works shop, so could probably have them rebuild it. Alright, we gotta be close to the rock at this point. Halfway down. Oh shit. Yo, I can barely see. I can barely see the trail. pretty far ahead of the other group. Hopefully everybody's okay up there. But I think Lance is bringing up the rear, so that's good that we got somebody back there that's ridden the trail before and making sure everybody gets down safe. Shout out to the Talaria Boys for inviting us on this trail ride. Definitely putting me to my limits here on this night trail. Holy cow. It's sketchy. If you made it this far in the video, leave a TB in the comments for Talaria Boys. And know that I appreciate it. Yeah. So we're about halfway down now. And it's getting darker by the minute. I'm gonna keep recording in case anything crazy happens. Hopefully nothing bad crazy. Oh man, this is crazy at night. I seriously can't see anything unless it's in the light. So if you live in the area, Utah, Davis area, or even Salt Lake, probably, you should come on these rides next time. You subscribe to my channel. Next time this group ride's happening, I'll leave a comment out, let people know. It is tons of fun. We have people of all skills and bikes. Saw a kid that's probably like 8, a couple of guys that were at least as old as I am, so that's awesome to have a bunch of different riders, a group of guys coming out for this. Some of this would be a lot funner if it was daylight. I could at least hit some of these berms. It's still cool to ride in the dark. It's pretty tense, so not gonna lie. If you'd have put a lump of coal in my ass, probably be a diamond by the time I hit the bottom. Alright, we're probably quarter of the way from the bottom, I would say. How you doing? Sorry. Man, a guy out here jogging in the night with his head cam, or a headlight, that's pretty sick. Props to that guy. Alright, we're pretty close to the bottom. I recognize some of this area. Oh, sorry. Oh, at least they could see the lights. I mean, that goes a long ways. I have to admit, less hikers in the dark than even I expected. I thought there would be a few. That's so far just that guy and those two. But we are getting closer to the bottom, which means more people willing to come up this trail. At least a little ways. The boy is still behind me. He's doing great. Shout out to my son who is keeping up with me. Probably could go faster than me, but he's got to keep it in check. His knee is still recovering from surgery. Oh boy, we are off the trail there. Yeah, he wasn't sure he was gonna come because his knee's been hurting, but he decided to come. Glad he did. Always a good time riding with your son. Get those father-son moments in while I can. Man, I thought we were closer, but it turns out we are not as close as I thought. Sorry, guys. All right, so 3 groups of hikers. I see somebody in front of us. Might have gone off the trail or something because this guy's left me in the dust before. Oh, okay. How you guys doing?
We're with you, dude.
Oh, nice. We got a couple hikers. How you doing? Oh, you're good. We'll ease by. Sorry. Cute dog. I have a French Boston mix. He's cute.
Oh, cute.
Yeah.
Very cute.
Alright, we're pretty close to the bottom now. Sorry. Hi, sorry. I just don't want to die. I have massive PTSD from that collarbone break. And we are here.
We're going to wrap the video up there, boys, but I appreciate everybody watching until the end. If you did, stay tuned for the next one.
Was good stuff.